Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're really zeroing in on something big. Oracle AI Database 26ii.
That's right. It's all about architecting AI, well, right into the very core of data management.
They're calling it their AI for data vision, which sounds expansive.
It really is.
Yeah.
And you need to understand this isn't just, a minor update. It's a major long-term support release.
So what's the scope here? What does AI for data actually cover in 26ii?
It's about integrating AI pretty much everywhere. Think AI vector search, AI for managing the database itself, for development, for analytics.
Yeah.
The whole point is securely bringing AI capabilities to all your data wherever it lives without having to move it around constantly.
Right. And one feature that really jumped out at me was Agentic AI.
Ah, yes, that's definitely a highlight.
They're saying customers can run these
Yeah.
dynamic agentic AI workflows, combining private database data with public info for, well, pretty sophisticated answers.
Exactly. These agents can reason, plan, and execute tasks using both your internal secure data and external knowledge.
But hold on, doesn't putting automated agents inside the database, doesn't that create a whole new security headache, a new attack surface?
That's a fair question, and Oracle seems to have anticipated it. They've included something called the AI Private Agent Factory.
A factory, what does that do?
It's essentially a no-code visual platform, so you can build, deploy, and manage these AI agents right within the database.
Okay.
And here's the clever bit. Because these agents live in the database, they automatically inherit all the existing security policies, the access controls, everything. You don't rebuild security from scratch.
Ah, I see. So the security context is already there.
Yeah.
That makes sense. What about actually finding the data? They mentioned unified hybrid vector search.
Right. This is about comprehensive retrieval. It's not just AI vector search for embeddings.
It combines things.
Precisely. It
Yeah.
combines vector search with your traditional relational searches, text, JSON, even knowledge graph and spatial data searches, all in one go.
So you ask one question, and it pulls relevant info from all those different data types.
Yep. You get one unified, comprehensive result set. Really powerful for getting the full picture.
Okay, universal access, which brings me right back to security.
Sure.
If everything's connected and searchable, how are they locking it down, especially against future threats?
That's the really interesting pivot. They've gone quantum resistant.
Oh, Tom, already.
Yes. Oracle AI Database 26i implements ML-Chem. It's a NIST-approved quantum-resistant algorithm
And they're using this for...
for encrypting data in flight, all network traffic.
Wow. Quantum computers that can break today's encryption are still theoretical, or at least years away, right? Isn't this massive overkill now?
It seems like it, but it addresses a very real emerging threat. Harvest now, decrypt later.
Explain that.
Okay, so bad actors, state-sponsored groups, whoever, they're potentially vacuuming up encrypted data today, just storing it. Waiting for the day, maybe 5-10 years out, when they do have a powerful enough quantum computer to crack today's standard encryption, like RSA or ECC.
And then all that harvested data becomes readable. Oof.
Exactly. By implementing ML-Chem now, Oracle is basically preventing that future decryption of data that's being transmitted today. It's a long-term security play.
That's actually quite forward-thinking. It's fascinating, though, that while they're going so hard on future-proof security, they're also championing openness.
Yeah, it's not a walled garden. The AI for data strategy is explicitly open.
Like supporting Apache Iceberg.
Exactly. The open table format. Plus, they support industry-leading large language models, various agentic AI frameworks. You're not locked into only Oracle tools.
And this openness extends to where the data lives.
Absolutely. The new Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse, which supports Iceberg, isn't just on OCI. It's available across the major hyperscalers.
So AWS, Azure, Google Cloud too.
Yep, all four. You can leverage these AI capabilities near your data, wherever your main lakehouse might be.
Okay, shifting gears a bit. What about developers? Is life getting any simpler for them with 26i? They talk about a unified data model.
It should. The idea is one logical view of your data. Your applications can access the same underlying data, whether it looks like relational tables, JSON documents, or graph nodes.
So less data transformation code, hopefully.
That's the goal. And to speed things up even more, they've announced plans for the Apex AI application generator.
Apex, their low-code platform, AI generated.
Right. Using natural language prompts, the idea is it will generate the basic scaffolding for business applications, potentially cutting down development time significantly.
Interesting. Now, for the listener, maybe someone in IT operations or managing databases, what's the practical side? Is this a painful upgrade?
Actually, they've made that quite straightforward. 26II is the designated long-term support release, replacing 23I.
So the path is just applying a standard update.
Pretty much. Apply the October 2025 release update, and you're on the new long-term support version.
And the cost for all these advanced AI features, vector search, the agents.
Get this, they're included at no additional charge with the core database license.
Really? That's huge. Other vendors definitely charge extra for vector capabilities.
It is huge. It completely changes the budgeting conversation for rolling out AI features within your data estate.
So if we boil it all down, what's the single biggest takeaway from Oracle 26i?
I think the core message is, do AI on your data without moving it. Keep it centralized, current, consistent.
And secure.
And secure. Because when AI operates directly where the data lives, you maintain governance, you maintain security posture, you maintain data integrity.
Okay. So a final thought for our listeners to chew on.
Well, given that Oracle, a major player, is already implementing NIST-approved quantum-resistant crypto now, how should you be reevaluating your organization's long-term data security roadmap? That future threat of quantum decryption, maybe it's not so far in the future after all. Something to think about.